Viewers, welcome back. In a shocking incident at a canoe tournament held in Kyoto's Kumiyama Bay, around 90 canoes reportedly capsized due to sudden strong winds. The powerful gusts hit the area unexpectedly during the event, creating dangerous conditions on the water. According to local reporters, 6 individuals were transported to the hospital through no life-threatening injuries have been confirmed. So far, emergency services responded quickly, helping participants out of the water and ensuring safety. The incident had raised serious concern about weather, preparedness, and safety measures at outdoor sports events. More updates are expected as the investigation continues. Stay tuned to Top Reactions for the latest on this developing story. Thanks for watching this content and please stay